In this video, we will look at how to create new pages and new sections in your website. First, go to Administrator Login page and enter in your user and password. For this section, you will scroll down the page for your website architecture. As you see, your website is layered in 5 layers, your main option and then all of your sub-options. The main options that are checked are your navigation across the top of your website. For example, these sections here. You see there are sections that are not checked. In this case, these sections are our main call to action buttons, seen on the left side of the screen. Pages underneath the main sections, for example, the About Us, are in the second layer, so that if I hover over the About tab on my navigation bar, those pages appear on the screen. Depending on your website contract, you may not be able to create new main option sections. However, you will be able to create pages underneath the sections that are already provided. To create a new page, go to the Add option to this main option link and click it. Enter in the name of the page, and create option. We'll see the new page that we created at the bottom of the list. If I want to view that page, I will click the magnifying glass to the left, and the page will pop up on the screen. The page is not live until I check the box. Once the box is checked, I will be asked if I would like to activate the option. If I click yes, the page is now live. So that if I go to the About section, the new page will appear. You create a new page in all of the levels the exact same way. If you wanted to create a new page as a sub-option of the Our Chapter page, you would first click the page that you want to add the sub-option to, in this case, Our Chapter, and then click the link Add Sub-Option to this option. And the same thing, New Page. If we go to the home page in the About Our Chapter, there will be a subsection, New Page. To create a new main option or section of the website, you will click the Add Main Option button at the bottom of the list. All that you will enter is the name, and if you have a header image that you would like to appear for that section. And again, the section will appear at the bottom of the list. When a new section is created in your website, you have to go in and change your permissions as a user. Whenever you set up a user account, you set up what sections that user can actively edit, add, or delete to. When you create a new section, your users are not automatically granted access to it, so you must go into your user's profile and change their permissions. For example, we created the new section. I'll go in and give myself permission to add, edit, and make inactive. Before making a new section live, you want to make sure that there is a landing page, so you would create a new option. To reorder your pages or sections, you click the blue arrow to the right of that page. For example, if I wanted to move the new page that we had created in the first example up, I would click the blue arrow and it is moved up on the screen. In this fashion, it is moved up in the list of the pages as well. You are able to move your sections in the same manner. In order to delete a page or a section, you will click the red circle with the white X to the right of that page. If you'll notice, the Our Chapter section does not have this circle. That is because you cannot delete a parent page without deleting all of the sub-pages first. So if I delete the new page, it will ask me if I'm sure that I want to delete it. And after that page is deleted, I could delete the Our Chapter page. Again, we'll delete the other new page that we created simply by clicking the Delete button. You delete main sections the same way that you delete pages. However, it's still true that if there are sub-pages of that main section, you will not be able to delete it. If you have additional questions, please feel free to contact us or create a help ticket.